Hello everyone, and welcome to our lab. Have you ever looked up at the clouds or felt the rain on your face and wondered where all that water comes from and where it goes? It's a fantastic question, and the answer is all part of an amazing journey called the water cycle. It's happening all around us, all the time, and it's what keeps our planet alive and thriving. So today, let's put on our science hats and explore this incredible process together. Imagine a single drop of water. Its adventure can start almost anywhere, but let's begin in a vast ocean. The sun, our planet's giant energy source, shines down on the ocean's surface. This warmth gives the water droplets energy, causing them to change from a liquid into a gas called water vapor. This process is called evaporation. It's like when you see steam rising from a hot cup of tea. It's not just oceans, either. Water evaporates from lakes, rivers, and even puddles on the sidewalk after a storm. Plants also join in through a process called transpiration, releasing water vapor from their leaves. Think of it as plants breathing out water. So, where does all this invisible water vapor go? It rises up into the atmosphere. The higher it gets, the colder the air becomes. This cold air causes the water vapor to cool down and change back into tiny liquid water droplets or ice crystals. This change from a gas back to a liquid is called condensation. These tiny droplets aren't floating alone. They gather around microscopic specks of dust or pollen in the air. As more and more droplets join together, they form the clouds we see in the sky. If you've ever walked through fog, you've actually been inside a cloud that's close to the ground. Now, those clouds get heavier and heavier as more water condenses. Eventually, they get so full that they can't hold any more water. And what happens next? You guessed it, precipitation. That's just a fancy word for water falling back to Earth. Depending on the temperature, it can fall as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This is the part of the cycle that delivers fresh water to every corner of our planet, watering our forests, filling our rivers, and providing the water we drink. Once the water reaches the ground, its journey continues in several ways. Some of it soaks into the earth, a process called infiltration. This groundwater can stay underground for days, years, or even thousands of years, stored in underground layers of rock and soil called aquifers. This is a vital source of drinking water for many communities. Other water, known as runoff, flows over the surface of the land. It trickles into streams, which flow into rivers, and eventually, most of it makes its way back to the ocean, where our story began. And that's the water cycle in a nutshell: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. It's a continuous, beautiful loop that has been happening for billions of years. Every drop of water on Earth today is the same water that the dinosaurs drank and that filled the ancient seas. It's constantly moving, changing form, and sustaining all life. So the next time you pour a glass of water, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to get to you. It's one of nature's greatest recycling programs. Thank you so much for joining me on this scientific adventure. I hope you see the world around you a little differently now. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of our planet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.